So in this video, let's see the simple way to the methods to solve past adjustment numerical question. I am Ravichandran, PGT Commerce, Shakthi International School, teaching class 11th as well as class 12th accountancy subject. So let's see the solution for the numerical question number 39 from past adjustment in this video. Numerical question from past adjustment, question number 39. NCERT numerical question number 39 from Partnership Fundamental Chapter, question number 39. The question given here is, on 31st March 2017, the balance sheet in the capital account of Yelin, Monu and Ahmad, after making adjustment for profit, drawing, etc., were rupees 80,000, rupees 60,000, rupees 40,000 respectively. Subsequently, it was discovered that interest on capital and interest on drawing had been omitted. The partners entitled to interest on capital 5% per annum. The drawings during the year were Yelun, so rupees 20,000, Monu rupees 15,000, and Ahmad rupees 9,000. Interest on drawing chargeable to partners were Yelun rupees 500, Monu rupees 360, and Ahmad rupees 200. The net profit during the year amounted rupees 1,20,000. The profit sharing ratio was 3:2:1. Record adjustment entry. So adjustment entry means we have to make pass and correction entry. So there is a correction in the partner capital account because they have distributed the profit without providing interest on capital as well as interest on drawing. So let's see how to solve. So first, in this question, one difference is interest on capital we have to calculate on the opening capital, but here they have disclosed the closing capital. The first step here is they have given the closing capital because the capital as on 31st March 2017. The capital as on 31st March 2017 was given. But we need the capital as per April 1st, 2016 is the needed item. So that we have to find out. Opening capital we have to find out. To calculate the opening capital, so what we have to do was closing capital. So write the closing capital of all the partner. It is for heirloom, it is so the closing capital of the partner, it is for heirloom, it is 80,000, and for Mono to 60,000, for Ahmad it is 40,000. So with that we have to add the drawing. So add drawing. So drawings of the partner. It is Elun 20,000, Mono 15,000, I have 9,000. Last one 9,000. This we have to add. And we have to reduce the profit. So we have to profit. It is 1,20,000 given, that is distributed according to the ratio 3:2:1. So therefore, if you divide, Elun will get 60,000. This has to be subtracted, and will get 40,000. Here we will get net effect will be the opening capital. Capital. So 1,80,000 plus 20,000, 1 lakh minus 60,000. It is, and foreign it is 60,000 plus 15,000, 75,000 minus 40,000. It is 35,000. And Ahmad it is 49,000 minus 20. It is 29,000. So this is the opening capital. In this opening capital, we have to calculate the interest on capital for each partner. From the opening capital only, we have to find out the interest on capital of all the partners. So that is interest on capital. The rate of interest is 5%. So interest on capital for him 40,000. If it is 5%, it will be 2,000. And this will be 1,750 because it is 35,000 into 5 by 100. It is 1,750. So here for Ahmad interest on capital 29,000 into 5 by 100. This will be 1,450 will be the interest on capital. So interest on capital is the first step we need to calculate from the opening capital. So interest on capital they have omitted in the table, adjustment table. Interest on capital omitted in partner capital. There is a short credit. So interest on capital. So it has to be credited. So for him, interest on capital is 2,000. For Monu it is 1,750. For Ahmad it is 1,450. So total, if you add it, it will be 5,000. And interest on drawing they have omitted. Therefore, partner capital there is a short debit. Therefore, we have to debit it. This one. They have given the amount, so therefore we have to enter the amount. No need to calculate. So the amount is interest on drawing. So alone it is 500, and this mono it is 360. For Ahmad it is 200. So total it is 1,060. You add 3 people interest together. So now the difference will be each credit, total credit and total debit. The difference will be the right distribution of profit. Right distribution of profit or appropriation into the partner capital account will be 2,000 minus 500. This is the negative item. 2,000 minus 500. So it will be 1,500 for LU. For him, it is 1,750 minus 360. 750 minus 360. Therefore, the wrong distribution amount will be 1,390. And for him, it is 1,250 wrong distribution. From the total 5,200, 1,060 if you reduce, if you subtract, wrong distributed profit total is 4,140. So this 4,140 is, this 4,140 is the right distribution. Now this was wrongly distributed as per the ratio, not as per the appropriation. distributed profit 4,140 divided in the ratio of 3:1. So 4,140. So he will get wrong distribution 2,070. 1,380. 690. It is distributed as per their profit sharing ratio. Now we have to see the difference. So here, so this is the credit item. This is the debit item. This is the credit item. So here, debit is 570 higher. Therefore, LU capital has to be debited by 570, the adjustment entry. And here 10 rupees credit balance is higher. So for more than 10 rupees has to be credited. And the foreign, the difference is 1,250 minus 690. So 560 we have to credit for Adamant. Net FI for adjustment journal entry. So the single adjustment journal entry is profit right distribution amount is 1,500, but they have distributed wrongly 2,070. So there is a excess distribution of 570. The excess distribution we have to debit through the single adjustment entry 570 into the capital account of single adjustment journal entry. Profit is 570. Capital account. Credited with rupees 10 and to Adma capital account credited with 560. That is as so the recap is, let's see the recap. So the question, there are two mistakes, interest on capital as well as interest on drawing, omitted, not recorded. Because of that, the profit is wrongly distributed. Instead of distributing 1,500 for LU, it is distributed 2,070. So there is a excess credit 570. So in order to make correction, this capital account debited with 570. With respect to Mono, the right distribution, I mean profit distribution is 1,390, but they have distributed only 1,380. So there is a short credit of 10 rupees that we have to credit. Here foreign, the right distribution amount is 1,250, but they have distributed only 690. So there is a short credit of 560 into his account that also has to be credited. So adjustment entry will be LU capital account debit 570, Mono capital account credit 10 rupees, and Agmat capital account credit 560.